This is my review of the RY Gardner starter connector set. And as you can see, it comes with quite a few accessories. Plenty of seals in case the others dry rot over time, as well as O-rings for the threaded quick release extensions. There's 3 of the external threaded ones and 2 of the internal threaded ones. That fits into these spring release adapters. They pop in pretty easily. It takes a little bit of a pull to release them, but probably means it's a good seal. It also comes with a on and off twist sprayer and a on and off adapter for these, and also a splitter. They're all pretty heavy plastic. As you can see on the inside, it's plastic ball valves, and they also already have their seals inside, so there's definitely plenty of seals to go around. Since they are made of plastic, I would definitely be careful in leaving them in the hooked up with water in them in the winter time. But for summer use, look like they're heavy enough plastic that they should hold up pretty well. They've been pretty easy to connect and disconnect in my uses so far. So no complaints so far. That's my review of the starter connector set by RY Gardner.